In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the chat feature in Zoom. So let's get started. First, in particular, what we will cover is how to disable private chat, how to disable public chat, how to set chat so that the participants can only chat with the host, and finally, how to disable all chat. One question you might ask is, why would you want to do this? Well, a couple of possible potential reasons. Potentially, chat might be disrupting the meeting, or perhaps your participants are taking some type of a quiz or a test, and you don't want them to be able to communicate privately with each other or in group settings. So these are potential reasons, and there may be others why you would want to disable various levels of the chat feature. One or two warnings before we get started, though. Participants could still be using third-party chat applications. So disabling chat in Zoom does not guarantee that your participants cannot communicate with each other privately or publicly. And chat controls do not affect the group chat in the breakout rooms. So even if you disable chat for the main meeting, chat will still be available in the breakout rooms. All right, but let's go ahead and get started. So I have here just an example meeting. There's nobody else in here right now. And I've opened up the chat window. And what we'll do is we'll go down to the bottom right here, and you see these three horizontal dots. We will click on those, and we see the various levels of different options. If we click everyone, publicly and privately, what that means is all the participants can chat with all the other participants, both in the everyone or the group chat, and they can also chat to each other individually privately. The next is everyone publicly. What that does is it disables the private chat. So participants can no longer directly message each other. They have to put any messages in the group chat, but they can still communicate with the group. The next level is host only. In this case, your participants can only chat with the host, and they can't chat with each other or in a group setting. And then finally, if we click no one, that completely disables the chat function for all participants. And those are the different chat permission levels. There are some other chat permissions that you can set directly within the web portal, but we're not going to cover those in this video. All right, thank you. Goodbye.